subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Nvidia RTX 3000 series of GeForce graphics cards included the RTX 3070T and RTX 3080T, while the latter is one of the most powerful GPU currently in the market. It launched with 12GB of VRAM despite various rumors going around that stated it had 20GB of VRAM. According to new information recently surfacing has revealed that the 20GB variant is actually real. GeForce RTX 3080T Extreme GPU that features 20GB of GDDR6X memory. First report of this 20GB version had appeared back in December 2020 in an EC listing from Gigabyte, comparing the model ARS RTX 3080T that is currently available in the market. The only real difference between the two cards is the VRAM, and most other aspects like clock speeds for the memory remains the same. 20GB model does feature a smaller memory interface. Packaging and the CPU Z screenshots show a 320-bit memory bus on the 20GB RTX 3080T, over the 384-bit interface in the 12GB version. The higher memory version would have offered lower memory bandwidth. As of right now, this rare 20GB version is in the hands of a Russian crypto miner that somehow managed to get the card. It is unknown what the sizable amount of VRAM was intended for, as the RTX 3080 had distinctly lower memory compared to the 3090, as it was primarily intended for gaming. Modern titles do not require such high VRAMs, although certain professional apps would benefit from this boost in memory. So, it might have been the middle ground between the expensive RTX 3090 and RTX 3080. That was good for both workloads. And friends, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.